going to start by going under the dashboard. You'll look up, and on the right side, there will be this bolt. The reason we're taking out this bolt is to remove the module from the vehicle, so we can easily access the ports that we need. Once we got that bolt removed, we're going to take the module and pull it out towards us. It's not going to come out all the way. We're just trying to get access once again. Circled here are the two ports that we're going to be connecting to. We're going to go ahead and remove those two connectors and connect both of the T-harnesses in line.